Damn guys, it's not beautiful. So I came down here to film part of this video on the GoPro, but GoPro batteries are dead. I charged them all yesterday. It was a GoPro Hero 5. It's the same battery that I've always had in it, but it died overnight. It's kind of weird. And that brings me to some of the problems I had filming the video for the fog light install. I was going to do a pretty in-depth video. I shot it using the GoPro Hero 5 and a session, and somehow the codecs fucked up on it. So I lost all the video. That was about 4 weeks ago, and it just kind of put me off from making videos. So I figured I would put my mind to other things. I bought a Tamiya RC car I built while all this shit's going on with the coronavirus. Enjoying that. I have it built, I just got to paint the body, and if you want to, in a couple days you guys will see a video for that. But right now, I just came down here, went to shoot some with the GoPro, battery's dead, so this is the iPhone, and this is what you guys are going to get this time. But I've been thinking about getting a new GoPro Hero 8. I'm not sure if I want to spend the coin on that or just try and get by with the GoPro Hero 5, as it hasn't failed me until today. But, well, I guess it failed me a month ago. That's going to be replaced, but I just wanted to show you. Came down to the park just to get away. If you guys are not familiar with the area, this is Valley Falls State Park. It's towards Grafton, West Virginia. That's beautiful. Water's kind of high as the last couple days worth of rain has impacted it. It's been a lot higher. Usually this rock I'm standing on is underwater when we get really heavy rain, and there's lots of swift currents. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll go up to the truck and talk about the fog lights here in a few. Just want to give you guys a quick little scenic shot. To give you guys a little background on what this location actually is, it used to be a grist bin. So the water would be diverted down through this channel. It would turn a paddle that was connected on axis with a grinding stone of sorts. And we stacked the rocks. So the last little bit of the building, I think it was built in the 1850s. Pretty cool though. You guys can hear me well enough. The wind's pretty strong. But here we go. These are the Baja Designs Squadron Sport LED. Those are the driving combo lenses. These were put in, like I said, about a month ago. Really enjoyed them on the 2018 I had, and they look even more stellar on this Voodoo Blue, the 2020 TRD. Pretty simple install, really. You've got two 10mm bolts down low, this little plastic clip here, and you have I forget what that was. I believe that was a 10mm as well. Pop this out. There's one screw holding the fog light housing back there. And the kit comes with everything you need. It comes with brackets as well for the what is it, 4th gen or 5th gen Forerunner, the newer one. I don't know what they are, but these will fit that as well. So if you're in the market for something with a Forerunner, those will work as well. It comes with different thicknesses of some padding. So you have on the inside part, you have two tabs here. They just kind of go into two little slots. There's two different thicknesses of padding that they give you. The thin one, that at least was included with mine, is for the 3rd gen Tacomas. The other one is for the Forerunner. And other than that, there's another bracket that goes on this side that has the screw hole. It's literally just one Phillips head screw. Plug and play. It comes with the harnesses you need to figure them up. The harness was the hardest part, trying to figure out because you know they're LED, so they're polarized, or they've got whatever you want to call it. So yeah, if you don't get the polarity correct, they won't work. And I had troubles with one of them. I thought ended up I put everything together and didn't plug the LED back in, or the fog light back in, but it turned out pretty well. And I bought those to go with, of course, the tricolor headlights. I'll turn those on real quick. Hopefully those are on. Yeah, there we go. I don't know, we're in West Virginia, blue and gold. You know, old gold and maize, or not maize, sorry, that's I won't say this word again. Yeah, it looks really good. Super clean install, super easy install, I should say. I do have wheels. I got a set of wheels. Not sure on the lift. That's why I've been going back and forth whether I want to do just, you know, buy once, cry once, like I said earlier in one of my other videos, and go with I was going to go with a Fox, but I heard they leak really bad and you got to rebuild them pretty often. So I was thinking either King or Icon or Rough Country. Yes, I know everyone talks shit on Rough Country, but for now I don't think it'll do too much damage as long as it's installed correctly. They have a new lift with, I forget what they call them, Nexon maybe, or nitrogen filled shocks. They're N3 Nexon, I forget exactly, but it was pretty affordable. It's a 3-inch lift. I'll be able to put the 17 by 8.5 with I think it was a -10 offset wheels I got. I'm not sure if I threw those in another video, and if I didn't, I'll go back and watch and make sure, and if I didn't, I will probably put up a video just showing those as well. But they're going to look amazing. If you already have seen them, you know. If you have not, then you will know. But yes, 3-inch lift, 17-inch wheels. And as far as the tires, that was another thing. I didn't really want to go with a heavy ass heavy ass tire. So I didn't want to do, everyone goes 33s on these. They go 285, 70, 17 or whatever. I want to kind of cut down on the cross section of the tire, so I was going to go something skinnier. I came across the 255/80, and I think I might do that. Some pizza cutter wheels, as they call them. But I think that would raise it up 1/4 of an inch more than 285s. I got to do the math again, but I think the 255/80 17s are exactly, like, I think 4/10 of an inch bigger than the 33-inch. Those would look pretty sweet. Once again, we're here at Valley Falls. Lovely day. It started raining. Tried to get some footage. There was actually a train track that cuts right underneath this bridge. I don't know if I got the footage or not, as the GoPro fucked up. That problem will be sorted, as well as the external mic, but this is being shot on my iPhone. Hope this suffices. And if you guys are still watching, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Everything you do helps me out. Any interactions, comments, whatever, it's definitely going to help out. But yeah, here we go, guys. I'll see you in a couple days. I'm going to upload a video, I believe, of the Tamiya RC car that I purchased, I told you about. So you'll be seeing that in a couple days. Peace out.